Welcome to Robinson's Rise, the first 20-minute neighbourhood in Cobblebank, with stages 1A and 1B due for settlement in the last quarter of 2018. This sustainable project provides a smarter, connected and networked neighbourhood with everything from work, transport, education and shopping within 20 minutes walk of your front door. Robinson's Rise is set near parklands, future schools and a new major $770 million shopping and town centre. It has been necessary to change the master plan slightly to accommodate the repositioning of Bridge Road. The Melbourne CBD is just 5 stops away on the train line, which is currently being upgraded and duplicated in preparation for eventual electrification. Upgrade work is well underway for a late 2019 completion. 2 new stations are planned close by, with the new Tulern station only 250 metres away. Directly below, we cross Adelon Boulevard and pass above Kingia Street. As we then turn up Protea Lane and then head left up Darwinia Way, you can see the progress being made. These streets are in the process of having new water and electricity connected, and soon construction stages 1A and 1B will be ready to curb and channel.